How to fix Instagram message request problem. If you are facing this issue and you want to solve it, then this video is for you. To solve this issue, first of all, what you need to do is open the App Store on your device and then search for Instagram and check if any updates is available or not. If there are any update available, then please hit on the update button and then it will start updating. Once you do that, hit on the settings and then scroll down, go through the general and hit on the iPhone storage. Now scroll down and search for Instagram application and then go through it. Now do offload app and reinstall app from the App Store. Once you do this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.